have 25,000 reasons to remain with you. Each one is part of our commitment, our dedication, our constant search for excellence. 25,000 wind generators in 20 years, 58 gigawatts installed in more than 90 countries. These are stories of innovation, quality, and the trust that thousands of customers place in us. With every product we make, we are building a more sustainable future. These 25,000 reasons are the result of a passionate team who design, manufacture and service wind generators. From our generator factories in Spain, India and China, join us as we celebrate this incredible milestone and drive the transition to a sustainable world. 25,000 reasons to remain with you. Thank you for being part of this journey.